Most OBD2 scanners on Amazon are overpriced gimmicks that fail to deliver actionable data. Pick wrong and you waste cash and miss critical engine insights. Ever wonder why an OBD2 scanner seems perfect but misses real-time data? This video breaks down what to look for and why these picks matter. Today, I'm going to be going over the best OBD2 scanner that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the ANCEL AD310. The device features a sturdy, compact build with a solid shell and a comfortable grip that resists drops during road and garage work. This model weighs 12 ounces and measures 8.9 by 6.9 by 1.4 inches, making it highly portable. The buttons are clearly labeled and the screen is large, ensuring results read clearly and quickly even in bright daylight. It does not require batteries or a charger, drawing power directly from the vehicle's OBD2 port for uninterrupted operation. Live data reading and emissions information are presented quickly, enabling users to verify a problem and monitor readiness with confidence. In real-world testing, the AD310 quickly identifies emission codes and displays freeze-frame data for precise diagnosis. Supported protocols include CAN and ISO 9141 plus J1850 PWM. This device carries endorsement from Scotty Kilmer, a trusted auto expert, which lends credibility to buyers seeking practical, user-friendly diagnostic solutions. The AD310 reads and clears engine codes in seconds, streamlining maintenance workflows for both professional mechanics and everyday car owners. Broad vehicle compatibility spans 1996 US models through newer CAN vehicles worldwide, enabling a single scanner for many households. During testing, the AD310 read codes within seconds and displayed live data clearly, helping users verify repair needs quickly. Compared with a popular Bluetooth scanner such as the BAFX OBD250, the AD310 offers steadier performance. The pros include reliable build that lasts, broad protocol support for most OBD2 vehicles, and a straightforward interface appreciated by new users. The cons include no Bluetooth connectivity and a relatively short 2.5-foot cable that can limit reach in some vehicles. At number 4, we have the VDIAGTOOL VD10. This device targets homeowners and hobbyists who crave quick, reliable diagnostics without the hassle of visiting a dealer or workshop. You simply connect to the vehicle's OBD port and instantly access read codes, live data, and freeze frame information. VDIAGTOOL VD10 supports every OBD protocol car on the road today, ensuring broad compatibility across makes, models, and years worldwide. While the VD10 is compact enough for glove box storage, its lightweight chassis still feels sturdy enough for everyday car use. The device mounts simply with a standard OBD port, avoiding external cables and providing a clean, user-friendly experience. Its TFT color display offers legible text and clear icons, helping users interpret codes and data at a glance during roadside checks. The tool pulls generic and manufacturer-specific codes and then instantly defines them with on-screen explanations for clarity. Live data stream covers engine RPM, intake air temperature, fuel trim values, and misfire data for real-time diagnostics. The unit stores freeze-frame data paired with the corresponding DTC to help isolate fault conditions during post-incident analysis. In practical tests, the VD10 reads and clears codes quickly, with reliable results across multiple vehicles and driving conditions. Its IM Readiness feature accurately assesses monitors and helps prevent failed inspections by ensuring complete readiness data. Compared to budget readers, the VD10 offers richer definitions and a more extensive code database, aiding accurate fault description and faster fixes. The pros include easy setup, broad code database, and clear live data. The cons include limited features and update dependency. At number 3, we have the BlueDriver Pro Next Gen. Designed for DIY enthusiasts and professional shops alike, this Bluetooth scanner eliminates guesswork by transforming your phone into a full diagnostic workspace. Its compact wireless form plugs into the OBD port and wires nothing, delivering durable everyday use with minimal setup. No wires, no bulky cables, and no expensive handheld tool required, which makes installation fast and frustration-free. One-time purchase unlocks full feature access with no ongoing subscriptions, ensuring owners retain value without recurring costs. Labeled as a comprehensive diagnostic tool, it can diagnose 8,000+ issues across engine, ABS, SRS, TPMS, and transmission systems. Beyond basic readers, BlueDriver reads and clears more codes, including CM codes and manufacturer-specific data for deeper troubleshooting. Users can monitor live vehicle data while driving and view freeze-frame snapshots that pinpoint exact conditions, triggering warnings. Optimized for modern vehicles, it offers strong coverage for GM, Ford, Stellantis, Toyota, Honda, Nissan, Mazda, Subaru, Hyundai, Mercedes, BMW, and VW. Enhanced communication supports 2024 plus Nissan and Mazda models, expanding compatibility beyond earlier generations. Works with all gasoline vehicles manufactured from 1996 onward and supports light-duty pickups such as Ram 2500. Compared with a basic code reader, the BlueDriver Pro Next Gen digs deeper and delivers technician-verified repair reports. The pros include unlimited repair reports, no subscription fees ever, and broad make and model coverage that spans multiple brands. The cons include a higher price compared to basic readers and a noticeable learning curve for new users. At number 2, we have the MOTOPOWER MP69033. Initial impressions reveal a purpose-built device designed for DIY enthusiasts and professional shops needing fast, portable engine diagnostics. The MP69033 emphasizes ease of use for beginners while still delivering the data demanded by seasoned technicians in hectic service bays. Power is drawn directly from the vehicle through the OBD2 port, eliminating battery maintenance and enabling instant readiness on starting the engine. Build quality shines through a sturdy 2.8-inch display and a thick, flexible insulator cable extending about 2.5 feet. 6 tactile buttons including scroll up and down, enter, and a VN query key provide quick navigation in cramped automotive spaces. It supports 9 OBD2 protocols and works across older US and European and Asian vehicles while delivering 6 language options. The display uses a white backlit screen with adjustable contrast, and power is drawn directly from the car, avoiding USB or battery dependencies. Built-in DTC lookup library reads and erases codes, shows freeze-frame data, checks IM readiness, and provides live vehicle information. Real-time data flows cover engine speed, coolant temperature, load value, vehicle speed, providing actionable insight during diagnostic sessions. In practical testing, the MP69033 connected quickly to most vehicles, displayed stable live data, and executed code clearing without notable lag. During real-world road tests, the unit maintained quick response times when scanning codes and reading live engine data. The overall performance profile shows consistent results across different vehicles and OBD2 protocols within typical service bay conditions. Compared to the ANCEL AD310, the MP69033 offers broader protocol coverage, richer live data capabilities, and faster connection times. The pros include broad protocol compatibility, built-in DTC lookup library, and plug-and-play operation powered by the OBD2 port. The cons include no ABS or airbag code support and a small screen that can hinder readability in bright daylight. At number 1, we have the ANCEL AD310. From the moment you unbox, the ANCEL AD310 exudes practical maturity with a bright display and straightforward interface suited for DIY enthusiasts. Despite its budget price, the unit feels sturdy, with reinforced ports and a compact footprint that disappears in your glove box. Designed to slip into a pocket-sized chassis, the AD310 remains comfortable in hand while offering a robust grip. Wide compatibility extends across OBD2 protocols including CAN and ISO standards, ensuring broad vehicle support from older to newer model years. It reads and clears fault codes efficiently with access to a vast database of 42,000 DTC lookups for rapid diagnostics. Users can reset the malfunction indicator lamp and verify monitor readiness before smog tests, enabling smoother government inspections. Advanced diagnostics extend to EVAP system leakage checks and fuel tank integrity monitoring, empowering proactive maintenance beyond basic code reading. Note that this engine code reader functions as a focus tool rather than a full vehicle scanner, leaving ABS and transmission modules unaddressed. Interface quality centers around a 2.4-inch TFT color display that shows clear codes and definitions in a concise, readable layout. During real-world testing, the ANCEL AD310 demonstrated quick response times and reliable code retrieval, delivering insights within minutes. Compared with a key rival, the AD310 delivers broader OBD2 protocol support and more extensive DTC data. The pros include reliable build, easy-to-use interface, and broad vehicle compatibility. The cons include higher price compared to basic readers and limited system coverage that excludes ABS and transmission modules.